How you guys doing? Looks like we're just going live tonight, 9:24. Sorry for the few-minute delay, you guys. Josh Dalzell coming to you live from beautiful sunny Fort Walton Beach today. It's about 9:30 at night here. I wanted to stop by and just give you guys a couple-minute video training on what we got going on for Staged. It's a remarkable program. For those who don't know what we have going on, I wanted to actually just stop by and tell you why a lot of the marketers and stuff have been looking at Staged recently to do websites. On the sidebar, I'm not sure if you can see it. If you have the Google chat up, you could certainly take a look at it. It's got just a couple little things that we're going to be running through tonight, just the benefits of staged marketing and why I think it's just such a wonderful thing to have. So number one, StageBot is rather Staged is a video sharing platform. You can capture any YouTube video and you can put your ads all the way around the YouTube video. So for funnels or for any kind of political agendas or any kind of business, any kind of website you could possibly imagine, you can stage your videos now and actually make those, more visible, more top of the SEOs. Everything that comes with having staged and viral videos is something that you'll find as a benefit here. I'm going to talk about a few of those benefits, but I actually just want to real quick, I'm going to pop over to a screen share, you guys. I just want to show you what we've got going on as far as stage. And this is the staged back office right here. This is actually the staged back office. And so the couple things I wanted to talk about tonight is just the reason for staged, or why I feel it is very important for people to have staged as a part of their business. First of all, when you come into the back office, if you guys haven't seen it, there's a training up here. Don't worry about that training right now. That we're actually just switching over to the new beta testing version, the 3.0. And so I'm actually going to be training on the 3.0, not what's in that training tonight. And so to get into the 3.0, it's under stages right here. And then you can click right here on this blue button right here, and that's how to get into 3.0. And so once we get inside there, you'll find a few things here: group manager, template list, and stage list. All three of those are important components of 3.0. So as far as the group manager goes, I'm going to click on that real fast. You'll see that I only have 5 different groups, but my videos go inside these groups. So I have a hemp group, online training videos, most viewed, amusement parks, which I love amusement parks, and then just funny videos, regular funny videos. That group manager is something important you'll want to set up just for your various niche markets so that you can keep yourself organized. It's just mainly about organization, you guys. And then the template list. This is where you're going to find all of your templates and everything that you're going to want to build as far as what I would call sales funnels or different websites. You'll find different websites right here on your template list. I have quite a few going right now. You can make a ton of those. And then this other third one is actually your staged list. And then these are actual staged videos. These are actual videos that have been staged through a template. So just those 3 little processes, groups, templates, and stages, are really going to be what you're going to want to concentrate on when you first come into your staged account. Now you can see these are all staged videos. This one's got 12 views. This one has 11 views. I know that doesn't seem like much, but I could go back and show you some that have over 1,000. I could show you some that have hundreds and hundreds of views. And so it depends on the content that you guys are putting out there as to what views you're going to get. As you can see, generally, I know these videos right here don't really mean anything to me, but these ones right here, you'll see that no matter what video I put out, I'm starting to get hits and followings on all those videos. The main thing I want to teach tonight, something that I'm becoming very familiar with, and it's just an absolutely just the most powerful tool I've ever seen in my life, is the actual Twitter builder. I want to spend a few minutes on this Twitter builder just for a few minutes tonight. You can see right here, this is Josh Dalzell. This is my little Twitter handle. I have 255 followers. Most people would laugh at that. I'm following 912, and that's okay. You can see that today I followed 214 people in the last 20 hours. And so hang on one second. Sorry about that. And then what we do is in the Twitter builder function itself, 210, 912, and then 255. Here, I got to tell you guys this. Just 210 tweets. I haven't done any of them. I just haven't. My StageBot does all of that for me. And so that's going to be really important. Right here, when I pull this drag down menu, you can see that I've got a couple different Twitter accounts. Each one of those have followers, and each one of those I can manage very easily with just a couple clicks of my mouse. And so as we go to this Twitter builder, this non-followers means it's people that I have followed but have not followed me back. So if ever I want to get rid of some of my followers, I would go over here and unfollow some of these people. My fans, these are people who have followed me that I was not following. So these are people who found me organically on the internet and started following me. So anytime you find someone in there, make sure and follow them back. It's courtesy and it'll help out. And then if you want to build your followers, you'll actually go in here to build followers. And then there's a couple ways to do it, but you know, real simply, you can just put whatever username you want in here. If you want to do MLM, for instance, for multi-level marketing, it'll give you a list of everybody who will pull up in that particular field. And so you can follow them right here very easily just by clicking your finger. You don't have to go down the list. You can just click your finger a bunch of times right here and it'll actually just follow those people. You can see I just followed 3 or 4 people right there. And so here, I'll just follow a couple more. May as well while we're here. I'll just put on a few more. So I just followed, you know, 10, 15 people just like that. And then I can do that for any account that I have just by clicking in between my accounts. So I can come over here to this one. This is one I just set up today, you guys. I just set this up. I already have 21 followers today. You can see that I've followed 244. It has 2 tweets, and I just set it up today. I haven't even done anything on that. I'll tell you, here's how it works. Over here next to Twitter Builder, I'm sure you're following me here, on social profile, you have a chance where you can come down here and you can plug in all of your various accounts for social media. Right here, you can see that I have 3 Twitter accounts. I actually have more Twitter accounts than that. I just have not hooked them up. And then as we scroll down, you can see all 3 of my accounts here. So I have them posting 5 times per day on my social media for me, each account. The daily bot limit is, I think, 30 or more. It'll actually post 1,000. If I'm not wrong, it'll post over 1,000 per month for you to your social media. You won't have to share any videos at all. Yeah, the stage bot will actually do it for you. And so you can put up to 10 accounts on here. You can put, you know, 3 or 4 or 5 or 6 or whatever different Facebook or LinkedIn accounts. You really can go crazy with this thing. And it'll do everything for you. Like I said, I haven't done anything at all. And you can clearly see that I have a couple hundred people that are following me now, and that's only just in a very short amount of time. So that's how the Twitter builder works. Here, I'll just, this tagline, a money-getting system so brain-dead simple, I often get my 10-year-old niece to run it for me, and then a stage page for me. Check this out. I'm just going to tweet that to all my tweeters. That'll just go out there to everybody, and they'll see that. So it's pre-made tweets for me. I really don't have to do anything inside this system, and that's the beautiful part of it. So that's how social and Twitter builder works. You guys need to make sure and build as many Twitter accounts as you can. That's a huge, huge key in this. So now what I did there is I clicked over to stages right here, and then I clicked on that blue button that gets me into the 3.0. That's this blue button here that says here. I'm going to click on that. Now, as far as the template lists go, I'll show you kind of how this works. I've got a, let's just use this general stage template right here. This is just a stage template that I made that talks about staged and sharing viral videos. So it has self-branding. It's got my biography right here. It's got clickable links. It has a call to action, which is a box that will actually pull up. You can see how this pulls up right here. This will actually pop up on the YouTube video itself just to stop them and make them look at a banner if you'd like to use that. It's called a call to action. And then as we scroll down, you can see my page here. I have all the social media icons for people to be able to talk about it or share it or tweet it up or down, whether they like that video or not. As we continue to go down the page, you'll see all of my other, oops, I'm sorry about that, you guys, it jumped on me. So you can see, check out my other top viewed videos there below the video, just so that people can see what we've got going on. On the right-hand side, you see all the clickable banners. Those are all for staged. On the bottom left, that's the text-rich editable area. And that's an area that you can fully customize with videos, pictures, you know, business, just anything, comp plan, whatever. It doesn't matter what you put in there. It's fully customizable. All of those links are clickable over there, you guys. This is so that people can actually see me out there on stage. This is so that people can actually get involved in staged, and they understand the levels and what it takes to get involved. It's a very, very powerful and effective tool. And so as an example. So this is my template. This is what would be considered to be a template. You can see all my ads here, but you can also see that it just says template. There's no video here. So what would happen was, if I went over, I'm going to just open up a new tab here, you guys, and I'm going to pop in YouTube. And let's have it pop up. I'm also going to open up a new tab, and I'm going to click in Google. And I'm just going to hit Google. Now right here, this plus, in case you guys don't know this, when you're logged into Gmail right here, this plus, that's Google Plus. And so you can click on that particular little icon. It'll actually take you straight to Google Plus. When you're in there, in the search bar, go ahead and just click in a hashtag. Okay, just search for hashtag, just hashtag. All right, let it load. Okay, over on the right-hand side as I scroll down, looks like usually it'll bring up trending videos. For some reason, it didn't bring it up this time, actually. So let's take a look. Let's see, trending. We'll just search that out. Usually, if you just type in a hashtag, it'll just pop up with the trending video. So here's some trending stuff right here. You can see all the trending stuff. So trend fail. Let's see, fashion blogger here, social media. That's a good one. So that's a trending one. So let's go over here to YouTube. And now in the YouTube search bar, I'm going to type in social media. Okay, social media. Let's see, social media revolution 2014. That seems decent. Let's see what's in there. If you guys don't know about this filter button on YouTube, I'm on YouTube right now. Click on filters, and you can do a couple different things. You can click by channel, you can click by short or long video, or you can look at video by view count to see what is the best video that has been viewed. I personally like to do just short videos. I like to keep my videos under just a few minutes. Let's take a look. Let's take a look at what we got. Video statistics for 2014, Facebook video statistics. That looks like something I'd be very interested in. And so I'm gonna just pause that, you guys, so it doesn't blast our ears out. So now I have this as just a YouTube video. You can see it's just a YouTube video, and it has all the YouTube stuff all the way around it. So now here's what's gonna happen is I'm actually gonna just stage it with this Stage It Beta button. I'm gonna click on that button. It's gonna bring up a little pop-up. I'm actually going to just quickly stage that video. And it'll look just like this. So now you can see side by side what a staged video looks like versus what a YouTube video looks like. Oops, blew me out again. All right, so here's the staged video with the same video. You can see it here, but here's all my template. Okay. I just put that into a completely different template just to show you guys a different example. This one has multiple different, opportunities on the right-hand side. I don't even use some of these. Doesn't matter. It just has a lot of content, clickable content, nice pictures. You'll see that the pictures aren't worn out and looking raggedy. That's really important for making sure that your presentation looks good. So this is what it would look like with my self-branding. This is what it would look like. Oops, that didn't work. This is what it would look like just on regular YouTube. You can see a huge, huge difference in the two of those. One of them I'm branding myself, one of them I'm offering them opportunities for business, and one of them is just a YouTube video. It doesn't do you any good to share it. There's no point in doing it. So anytime that you want to share a YouTube video, I would highly, highly recommend putting it through a staged page so that you can control the advertising. And then you can actually explain to the other people why it would be important for them to get involved in stage and share videos as well. So the last thing that I do want to show tonight, I've shown a little bit. I know that I went a little bit fast, you guys, but you can certainly go back and rewind, pause, rewind it or pause it, or anything else that you want to do is fine. Let me know if you need anything as well. I'm certainly here to help. So I'm going to just click on the wheel button. I'm going to go back to my members site. This is my back office once again. And then you can see right here, social media and video statistics for 2014. So I'm going to do this one more time, but I'm actually going to post this. I just want to show you this one more time, okay? So when I go into YouTube, and earlier I figured out hashtag, of course, is social media, something that's huge. So I'm going to go social media. Okay, I just clicked on that. Now I'm going to go to filters. I'm going to go to, you know, there's no right or wrong here, of course, for this. You can filter it by whatever you'd like to filter it by, but I go for short, 4 minutes. I like to do short videos. And then you can see the video that I'm looking at right here, social media. And it's got over 30,000 views, you guys, so that's a decent video. You know, this one's got 175,000, you know. So I'm going to click on this video. I'm going to pause it. I'm just going to hit stage it beta. I'm going to stage it. I'm going to click the template. I know you guys might not be able to see this part, but you'll just have to trust me. It's real easy to do. Sometimes pop-ups don't show on Google Hangout. And so I'm actually going to put it in a staged template. We talked about that a little bit ago, but I'm going to click auto post to social media. And so now I've just made this particular stage go live. So anybody who knows me or anybody who's friends with me on Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, any of those things, I just staged this video and actually put it out there for the public. When I click on staged here, it goes to my staged page. Anything that I do, it's actually going to go to my staged page. You can see what's going on here with the page that I just put that really awesome how to make money online. And so I just posted that out there to social media. If you guys can find it out there, you know, give me a holler, let me know that you guys saw it or whatever, and that you guys appreciated the training or whatever. But for now, I don't think that I have a whole lot more I want to train on tonight. Let me see. I just want to make sure that there was nothing that I missed. Hang on one second. I'm going to stop screen sharing just for a second, you guys. I'm going to come back to the screen. All right. And then let me just look real quick. I got some notes. No, let's see. Twitter Builder. This is the first time we've done an actual training that had any kind of real structure. So I'm trying, but you guys know that I get a little sidetracked, and that's okay. So the 7 things that we really are trying to teach on you guys, you know, make sure that you go into 3.0. Make sure that when you go into the stages, you're going into 3.0. That's the first thing. Don't go into 2.0. The second thing that you need to know is how to work that stage bot, just so that you can, actually, I'll just go back real quick. I've got a few minutes. I'm going to show you actually just real quick. I'm going to show you how to do stage bot. And so what happens is when you go in to the member site right here, if you click on social tasks, I'm sorry, it's actually in staged. That was my mistake. And then right below stages right here, you'll see stage bot. That's an automatic poster that posts for you to social media. The 2 things that you're going to have to make that work is right over here on the right hand side, you see add manager. Click on that add manager. You're going to have to input your URLs, whatever your URLs that you want to put in here. You'll have to actually set up your URLs in this particular group, okay? And then, so add manager is important. Now inside StageBot, you'll see down at the very bottom, these are all, okay, actually, let me just go through this real fast, just so you see this. StageBot version, if you have this little clickable version, make sure that it's version 3 and new. Make sure that you have that on new. We're not doing 2.0 anymore. So template to create stage from, I'm actually going to switch my template now. I'm actually just going to go to stage just to run it through a different template. And then from this, we're going to do it from, we'll do it into most view. We'll just put it into most view. Doesn't matter. Okay, right here, you'll see right here, click on this bubble right here for target stages by channels. That way you can actually go to YouTube. And I'll show you that real fast. I'll show you how to actually do that when you go to YouTube. Okay. Every time you go to YouTube, you can, if I was to type in something like, again, I mean, I could even go to social media just as an example, but social media. Okay. And then if I filter, I can actually filter by channel. I can grab a whole channel. So if I find, this one has 61 videos. This one has 119, 43. Let's see if I can find one with a decent amount of videos. 202, 344. So this one actually has 344 videos on it. I'll just grab that one because I don't see anything better. That's okay. So this one right here, this is their channel right here. This is their actual channel right here. So if I click on that, this bar right up here, this is actually their channel. It's not a video. It's actually their whole channel. And so I'm going to just copy that information. I'm going to put it over into staged. Okay. And I'm going to come down here. I'm going to add a channel. I'm just going to copy, paste it right in there, and I'm just going to save that channel. And now that has been successfully added. The stage bot will actually pull all 344 videos from that channel. Some of these other ones I have thousands of videos in it. I mean, you can see Animal Planet, The Ellen Show, BuzzFeed.com, Death by Illusion, money saving videos. I told you I'm into theme parks and coaster rides, so I'm always into that as well. You can click on top channels right here, you guys, right next to add channels. You can click on top channels. It'll give you a list of top channels as well. You don't have to actually seek out more on YouTube. That'll actually give you a pretty good channel list right there. Staged is really an awesome system for any kind of marketer, anybody who wants to get their name or their message or their vision out in the public. It is an excellent source of income. I can say that for myself at least. I hope that that's the case for you guys. When you understand the system as well as I do, which does not take long, it really does not take long to learn this system. Once you understand what kind of money you can actually generate from it, you'll really get excited. The other thing you have to understand is in multi-level marketing or any kind of business models, duplication is the success. I mean, that really is just duplicate and succeed. This system, once you create a template, and I'll just show you this actually real quick, but once you create your stage, click on here. Okay, now when you create a template, I'm going to click on template list on the top right. Any of these templates, it doesn't matter what it is. So I'll use that staged one that I've been showing you guys all night. I'll just use this one. So staged, you can see this template code right here, AZL56. And so if I share that template code with my team, or anyone really for that matter, if you guys want the template, go ahead and steal that code. It's right there. I think I put it in the Facebook group also. Go ahead and use that. You're going to have the banners. All you'll have to do, all the banners will be put in place. You'll have to just click edit. You'll have to put your URL here instead of mine, and then click save to do that. You'll also want to take my picture off and put your own stuff right here, but that's okay. You can do that really easy. At least everything will be sized appropriately. If you want to drag something up or down the screen, you can drag it up and down with the arrows. This is a super easy system. I used to spend $600 a month for advertising for the team, for co-ops and campaigns and rotator links and all the stuff that went with it. I'm actually going to have the last little bit of my stage system set up over the weekend to really drive home some sales funnels. And so hopefully by this next week, I should be able to come back and talk about some of the results that I had with the marketing campaign that I'll be kicking off this weekend. And so I'm going to jump back over to your screen real quick, you guys. And just make sure I didn't miss anything. Group manager got that template list, stage it, share it on social media. Seems like we covered everything, you guys. Staged is an absolutely awesome system. Make sure that when you do stage your videos that you're putting on hashtags on your videos when you stage it in the description. Ryan Conley, which is most of us know Ryan. He's absolutely insane in this industry. He's really, really good. So he talks about in the description right in there, share viral videos, get paid. Share videos with staged, get paid. Put it in the description, and that way any of the videos that go out, it'll actually have that little just catch tag underneath it, share viral videos and get paid. And that's been a way that I've been able to get a few people on there. I only wanted to take up about a half hour. You guys' time turns out it's going to be about 25 minutes. Not bad for a long-winded guy like me. I talk pretty fast, and if you guys have any questions or anything that maybe I didn't cover or didn't cover in depth enough, just feel free to give me a ring, or Ryan or Jake or any of the leaders that are in the team, Hayden Stevenson. Also, make sure, just as a quick call to action, you guys, Monday night, we have that. It's a huge call, you guys, huge call coming up with the co-owner of Staged.
and he's actually going to be doing a training with us on Monday. You guys won't want to miss that training on Monday. Believe me, I'm going to be tuned into that because I'd certainly love to learn from some of the best in the market, some of the best in the industry. I appreciate you guys' time tonight. I hope I've helped just even just a little bit. And let me know if there's anything you guys need from me for this next week. All right. Appreciate it, you guys.